Hey, what's up mga katropa peeps? This is your Prince CJ, your Filipino-Japanese vlogger, and welcome to my YouTube channel! So pa-chill-chill lang siya dito. Nag-order kami dito ng mango special, mango cream. Sarap buhay. Buti pa dito malamig. Sana all naka-aircon. Kasi Jay lamig na lamig. Jay lamig ba Jay? Jay malamig Jay. Ang init din sa labas oh. Sobrang init sa labas. Dito malamig. So guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you, or we're gonna do some unboxing. So I received my package or my items today that I ordered in Lazada. This is not a sponsor guys. I'm just being so addictive to collect and building that you will know that I've been uploading in my YouTube channel. It's a video that you're gonna like it, and I'll do unboxing, building different kind of stuff. So this is really easy guys. So I'm gonna show you the new stuff that I bought in Lazada. So it was on sale, so I was excited and being so really excited to share to you everyone. So keep on watching my YouTube guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give some love. So guys, this is really the package that I bought. So I'm gonna open this one so you will see what is inside of it. Excited na ako guys. So I'm gonna use my scissors. Okay? Be careful while using scissor, okay, or gunting. Kasi alam mo naman yung mga bata pag nag-open kailangan may guide ng mga magulang na nakakatanda. So I'm gonna show you guys. This one, it's a first item guys. This one. Alam niyo naman to kung ano to guys, diba? I think this one is the Deadpool. Yeah, Deadpool. And the other one, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, this one guys, mawala nyo kaya. It's Batman. Si Batman. Batman. Alam nyo, natutuwa lang ako dito guys kasi sa pagko-collect ako, na-enjoy ako ng collect. Tapos, yung pagbibuild, when you're done building this stuff, yung worth it, yung hindi naman nakakapagod pero nalilibang ka rin guys. So, this is one of the Dragon Slayer collectible items. Ang iba kasi di ko naman sila actually kilala talaga si Captain America. Who likes Captain America? Woo, woo. Oh my. Oh, this is Venom. As you can see his tongue. Venom. Diba ang cute nila kahit maliliit sila pero worth it ang pag-build nito pag natapos yun na guys. Yung collect niya kaya na paraming order ko kasi it was on sale guys. Hope. Yung green, so cute. I forgot this one, but I think it was the Dragon Slayer also. One of the Dragon Slayer. Kung mahilig kayo manood ng Dragon Slayer guys, kasi isa sa pinakagusto ko yung na anime guys. Really nice anime that you can watch and try to watch in Netflix. It's already available there guys. Kung sinong mahilig manood niyan, alam ko updated din sila guys. This is Iron Man. Iron Man. Whoa. Pasensya na ko guys sa background ko kasi siyempre may mga kapitbahay ako dito, ang iba nagluluto, nag-iingay, nag-watch TV, mga bata naglalaro, so sorry for my background guys. Oh, by the way, I think this is Superman. Yeah, this is Superman. Is one of the character of One Piece. Yeah, One Piece, not two piece, just one piece. One of the Dragon Slayer also. Kapatid ni Tanjiro. Yeah. Uy, naalala ko pa. Tanjiro. Yeah, one of the Demon Slayer also character guys. So yung mga niya, mga breaks. Demon Slayer. Iron Man 1, the one that I show is Iron Man 2. One of the demon. No. This is one of the One Piece also character. Yeah, see? One Piece. Mga mahilig mag-build dyan, mahilig mag-collectibles items, and this is worth it guys kasi maliit man sila, cute man sila, pero kahit pa paano friendly budget naman siya guys. Hindi naman so pricey as long you maghintay kayo ng what you call that on sale guys kasi malaki talaga yung matitipid nyo. This is also One Piece character. Nakakatuwa lang talaga pag nakaka-build ka, natatapos mo to guys kasi worth it talaga yung pag natapos mo na siya, makikita mo talaga. This is also one of the Demon Slayer guys. Demon Slayer. Gusto ko talaga anime na Demon Slayer guys kasi astig siya ng nakakalibang, tapos ang special effect, wow, mapapaano ka talaga guys. When I watched that first, I said, oh, this really nice anime, so I was being interested guys. Batman. Ang cute naman ng Batman. Batman the Woman. It's one of Demon Slayer also. Kayo na nakakaalam nyo kasi hindi ko naman sila totally alam lahat ng mga name ng character also guys. One of the Demon Slayer also guys. See? What is this? Oh, the main character. Lupin the third? Oh, Luffy. Yeah. From One Piece guys, not from Demon Slayer but One Piece. Kilala nyo yan guys kasi lalo kapag nanonood kayo ng anime. Sarap sa paramdam na may mga nangko-collect ka. Hindi naman masyadong kamalan yung sakto lang sa budget guys kasi hindi naman ako masyadong sa mga masyadong pricey kasi alam nyo naman yun. Ang maganda kasi nakakabili ka ng ganito na di naman sobrang pricey, di naman sobrang as in mahal na mahal o pero nai-enjoy mo na nakakolect ka pa ng iba't ibang character, and pag natapos mo na sila mabuild, makikita mo worth it yung pagkaroon pag-spend ko ng time sa pag-build nito kasi ang cute nila as in. Papakita ko mamaya after this I show all these items sa last video, yung mga na-build ko na guys. For sure magugustuhan nyo sila. The other Spider-Man, I think this is Spider-Man 2, and this is one of the character also from Spider-Man. Oh, he's Thor. Thor with a hammer. You make it lot. Oh, this is the character from Naruto. Different kind of anime. Naruto is one of my favorite anime also. I've been watching that since when I was kid until now. It's really nice. And I also watching when he already have a son, which is Boruto. Yung iba guys nagkatanggalan na yung ano. Titingnan ko pa yun mamaya. Oh, this is one of the character from Naruto, the pink one. Sakura, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna show you the finished product na na-build ko na since I was started this. And if you want to see that, you can check that in my YouTube channel. I have short videos that I do it unboxing, and you're gonna show you, and again it's gonna show you when I already build or gonna already finish building it, guys. So I'm gonna show you the finished product that I build here, guys. So some of new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give some love. And thank you so much since the beginning until now that you support my vlog, and I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna show you now the finished product.